How to fix Microsoft Store not working in Windows 10. Here are two options that would help you with the Microsoft Store not working in Windows 10. 1. Re-register Windows 10 Store Viaduct PowerShell. Run these commands as admin. Get apps package Microsoft.Windows Store for each apps package disable development mode register $_install location \appxmanifest.xml. Get apps package Windows Store allocers for each apps package disable development mode register $_install location \appxmanifest.xml. 2. Remove Microsoft Store and reinstall it later. In PowerShell again, run these commands as admin. Get apps package Windows Store remove apps package get apps package allocers for each apps package disable development mode register $_install location \appxmanifest.xml.